Yeah, myself, I have knowledge on ITSM, and currently I'm working on a project where ITSM and both CMDB I'm working on.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't have any previous experience on ServiceNow, but recently I started my job ServiceNow.
Okay, okay. Nice to hear that. So, any other new person to this training?
Yeah, Prasi, I'm Shravanti. I'm having ITSM and integration. Along with that, I'm also learning ITOM modules as well. So I would like to explore service portal with the practical knowledge, like how we are going to use it in the project. So this is all I wanted to learn with this course.
Okay. You are Uday's sister,
Hi,
right?
Krishna.
Yeah,
Shravanti?
I'm Uday's sister. Yes.
Okay, okay. I'm just recollecting that whether I'm
Yeah, I'm the one.
okay, okay. Good. Nice, dear. Thanks for joining.
Yeah, I'm feeling the same.
Okay, let's start the session. So yesterday we were dealing with yesterday we just started with our service portal one, and we also started with our introductions of our service portal, especially with the how you going to configure the extra areas like searches, search source, knowledge base, and catalog item we just saw. And today we are going to talk about this taxonomy also. Let me complete. So taxonomy in the sense whether it is going to be IT taxonomy, HR taxonomy. So it's kind of an family related. So here in ITSM, you don't have the taxonomy system and all, but for only for employee service center, you have another portal called employee center. There you will be having this taxonomies. Okay. This employee service center, okay, this is like a different one compared to any other service portal. We will be coming to this as a separate one, okay? Because this one will be little bit different from all other service portal. I will let you know that how it actually works, okay? And now today we are going to start with our home page. Home page, okay? And then we can go with the landing page. So first of all, we're going to start with our home page. So in the home page, if I open this home page, it would take me to this home page in text, and this I already opened this one in the new tab. So this is my home page. This is my home page, and this is my sections. So my home page background color will be get sp underscore homepage underscore bgv, and my padding is 0% padding, which is I'm just pushing that one as an important in the sense definitely this has to be work. That is the thing. So the BGB color I have given over here as a SP homepage underscore B, sorry, SP homepage BGB. I will show you where this SP homepage BGB will be called in the CSS part. Okay. So here I just have four containers, four, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Four containers I have. Okay. Containers, or typically if you can call this one as a bootstraps one. Okay. Bootstrap only we always use to specify a page into a separate containers. For example, if I go for a let me open up. Okay. Please let me know whether you can see my notepad. Yes, right? Okay. Now think about this one. You just have a page. Okay, you just have a page, and in this page, you're going to draw few of the items. Okay, like I could say like new notepad. Just give me a minute. Wait, let me go what Word document itself. This is my page layout. Think about this one. This is my page, okay? And here I'm going to start with my what? I'm going to put the page layouts, or I'm going to put up some of the let us take this one as my page. This one as my page. Okay. This is my page. Okay. In this page, I'm going to separate these things as containers. 1, 2, 3, 4 containers. Okay. So my first container is this is my first container. This is my container 1. Okay. And this is my container 2. And this is my container 3. And this is my container 4. In whatever shapes I'm requesting, usually it will be get divided based on the columns or the respective ones what we providing in the system. It won't how to say, like it will be get shared based on this is my containers. In this containers itself, I will be having rows and columns. Okay, I can divide this one into 1 column, 2 column, 3 column, 4 column, or into a different rows. I can able to divide this one itself. Now what I see over here, I just have this columns. See, first row, column 1. First row, column 1. First row, column 1, 2, 3. Same wise, I just have multiple other things. If I look that into the designer, how I opened up this design in the sense, below that you will be having a related links over here. If you click on open in designer, this will open up in the designer. Okay. This is my container 1. See, same wise how I have plotted. This is the layouts of container. Okay. This is called full 12 container. First one. Okay. These are my containers. If you divide into two rows, 3, 9, 9, 3, 3, 6, 3, 4, 4, 4, 3, 3, 3, 12, 12, 12. Basically, the size of the container is 12. If you see this one and all 12. Okay. And this is like what? 1, 2, 3, which is coming from 4, 4, 4, 4 category. Same way, see over here. I have 1, 2, 3. In that, this is row 1, row 2, row 3. In that, I have 1, 2, 3 columns. 2 columns. 1, 2, 3 columns. So like this, I'm just dividing my pages into a different rows and columns. Let us take this first one alone. Okay. First one alone. This is my first row. In that, I have only 1 column. Okay. This is my first row. In that, I have only 1 column. 1 column alone. 12. In this container, I just have something called, if I open this one in the new page, this is my order 1, my column, and this is my first one, order 1, row 1. See, as I said, the size of one is 12. Okay, this is called large, medium. Okay, this is also small. This is extra small. In this one, I have taken the size of small. Okay. Based on this differentiation, the page layout will be get differed. Okay. And for example, if I put default over here, and if I put 12 over here, let me save this one. So refresh. this will be become a extra bigger size, little bit. Okay. Same way, I can change the layout as I like. This is up to the level of, see this one. Again, if I refresh, it will be shrinking little bit. Okay. So now this is my size. And what happened? I have a text to call how can we help and the home page. Okay. And that you can see it below here. See, this is my instance. This is my instance. How can we help? That is the text you are going to have. And in that, what is the widget that needs to be get placed? That is what we always used to mention. Everywhere, whatever container you mentioned it over here, within that container, you will be having a widget. Okay? You will be having one what? A widget. Okay? I open this widget. When I am into this, it says some title, short description. It has some area, type search option. All these are enabled over there. And if I open this one, open in widget editor, the same thing will be get this like kind of one parts. Okay. And now I'm going to, this is a public widget. Okay. And now I can open this public widget anywhere as I like. Okay. And now I don't have a preview over here. Let me clone this page to see the preview alone. Clone home page. Create a test page. Submit. And just cloning it to show you how you have to test the widgets, okay? And now I can search for my here I have to search for my clone, see clone homepage. In this way, I can go to my cloned homepage. Okay. Just give me a minute. Yeah. Okay, this is how I have to move to my cloned homepage. Okay. So once I move over there, okay, I could enable preview. Save. So preview, it's not showing anything. It's not showing up. Open that in platform. This is the platform view and this is the widget view. It's not showing up over here, but let me open some other widgets to show you how this actually, the preview will be shown up in the system. Okay. So my main point over here is, so how do you go from a container to a row to column to a particular instance? Within the instance, how do you configure this particular widget? Okay. But now I have to show you like how this widgets will be working on. This is my widgets, all other widgets, and in which portal it just got configured. And if I search for the public pages, public widget especially. All are read-only things. Mostly for read-only for this customer registration. This is also a read-only. I submitted the clone customer page for this one. I search for clone customer. This will be goes to the cloning of the particular page. And then I have to go for enable preview. Can you see this one, guys? So whatever you do within this widget, whatever you did, for example, here the first one is the customer registration H2. Some header with the link has to be shown as a title. It has to be shown, and then the next one is like a first name. Can you see? For the first name field, last name field, business email field, registration code is another field, and after that you just have a agree or disagree checkboxes. Along with that, I agree to the and the community, along with some of the links they have provided it. So all these are created as an HTML part over here using the AngularJS normal div tag only. See, like HTML, what do we use as a div tag? Normal div tag, but within that, all your bootstrap codes will be here. For example, I could say like this ng model. So you will be adding some, instead of only model, you will be having ng model, ng class, ng submit. This is the only word you have to add along with it, ng everywhere. And this is how you can view your preview widgets things. So here in our SP portal, we just have how can we help widget. And in the second two, we just have the search called type hit search over here. The first one is the home page search, and next one is the type hit search was there over in the system. This is our home page. How can we help? And then we just have a type head search over there. Below that, we just have the request something. And this is from the knowledge base and get help. Okay. This is the home page search. Within the home page search, we just calling another widget called within this one called type head search widget into this one. First of all, we had a short description. Okay, option dot short description. And within that, we just calling another widget called what? Type head search. This particular this search option, whatever we have now, that is so called type head search. We are calling up into this one. Now, let us open this one. Can you see the pencil icon over there? See, where do I click in the sense? Nearby this basket one, I could see a pencil icon over here. Okay. In this pencil icon, if I click it over here like this, I could see the title. What is the type ahead search? Okay, within that, it will be having a word called how can we help? And the size is large, color is default. Within this, see, this word is showing up to us, right? Search. And if you want to enable any of the AI search along with this, you can enable it. And disabling all other suggestions. These are like some of the placeholder. If you want to have some other words in the placeholder, you can add those things. And now if I click on open in platform, this is your SP instance. How can we help? What is your title, short description, all other things? How do you see it over here? This is in the platform view. I never explained anything in a detailed manner, like what this will do, this will do, this will do, this will do, no, nothing like that. I'm just giving you a overview of the portal, okay? We will be digging deep on all these items, okay? Up to this, any questions, people? Nice.
Yeah, if I miss something, this is my first class, but I didn't much know about the service portal, how it is going to be helped in organization. Is there any intro class about that one? Is the first
Your voice
class
is too low. Can you come again? What? In the organization, what was it?
service portal, how the service portal is going to be helpful in organization and how it is going to be useful? What are the kind of customization we need to do in our organizations in service
In the
portal?
organization, we will be using this type head search, okay? But we don't use this one. Instead of that, you will be using your organization background. Here you have one background, no? Instead of this one, you have to use some other images in the background image. We don't use this kind of things actually.
Got it.
For example, this is the case in a sense. This is your container row column. Then, for example, this is my themes over there. The main and foremost one, they will ask you to change the logo, icon, all these things. Especially whatever you see over there as homepage, SP homepage, all these kind of themes are already presented over here. What color needs to be put it up over here? These kind of suggestions and everything will be available in this area itself. This is like your themes, colors, and all these things will be up over here.
Okay, okay, got it.
So first see how we can customize the things one by one we can see, okay?
Yeah.
It's not opening it. Minute. So first of all, let's start with our home page itself, okay? This is my home page. This is my logo and icon, okay? This is, can you see this icon over here,
Yeah, yes,
guys?
Yes.
yes, yes, okay.
So the icon will be shown like this in the pages over like this section. And the logo actually it is not visible. It's in the color of white. See, here there is a ServiceNow logo, okay? So whenever you opened your instance, this is my logo. See, sorry, this is my icon. Therefore, this is my logo. This is my icon, and this is my logo. Sorry, I'm just telling it vice versa. I think so. Sorry, guys. There is it. This is my logo. Logo means that is coming in over here. And the next one is, this is my icon. For example, in the employee service center, my logo and icons are different. This is my icon. If I open this SEC portal, ESC portal, can you see the different color over here? Guys,
Yeah.
Yeah.
We can see that.
you can see that, right? So this is how this working. So once I go into this website, I could see my icon. The same icon only as it is white in color, no? The page color is also white. That's the reason it's not showing up. So this one is okay, right? And now the next and the foremost one, this is your hero background, your quick start in the sense tagline SP, your SP instance ID, your instance ID this one, and the field is title, and the hero background and your background image is there, okay? And the image will be and this is the table called coming from SP container. In this, you will be having all the SC portal stuff. Within this, let me search that society. I just got one container one. Can you see the background image over here?
Yeah, yes.
The same background image here we have.
Yeah, yes, we can see.
Correct?
Yes.
So your organization definitely ask you to change this image at first. And go for SP portal separately. They will ask you to change this color also. Now we have to learn. Now we have to start like how we have to change our themes color over here and how you have to change this background. Any background images, guys? Cover, default, certain, repeating. It is still there within your container itself. Container one itself. CSP container one, you can get all your information like this. If I click on update, I can able to choose another file and image from here. Just take one example of any one organization, guys. And that way this will be working fine. Take one example, please. Any one organization, anyone choose about detection.
You can take TCS.
Okay, let's take TCS. TCS is fully black in color. And they do have what do we do, what are we, insects, career, these things and all they have. And they have this carousel, see? Next. Carousel and all, we have to do some scripting, okay? See, within the home page, the first image they have within the system, this is so-called carousel, okay? One by one, it will be start moving in your home page itself, whatever image you given over here. In your home page image, it will be moved by one to one to one. Those are called as page carousel. Okay. Shall we do this the same as a carousel page? See? So now you have to learn about what do you mean by carousel. Okay. These are the bootstrap coding. I told you, know, the each and every container has its bootstrap coding. This is so-called carousels. One by one, you can able to move your images. If you give 3 images, the 3 images will starting moving up over here. And this is the carousel what coding for your system. So what happened in this case? Okay, you will be having what no background images over here. Instead of this one, you have to call a widget over here. You have to place a widget over here, and that widget will run those carousel one by one. Are you getting my point?
Yeah, getting it.
Yeah.
So a widget within the widget, right?
Yes. Already you
Okay.
have chosen a widget over here.
Mm-hmm.
In this container itself, you have one widget, okay?
Yeah.
But you don't have this cover. Instead of that, you will be containing some widget within it. So bootstrap alternative, some other alternatives you can choose, or you can move to the header. Whatever you need, you can suggest this one. But usually you have to learn this carousel at first. How do you want to type this widget? Okay. And one more thing, basically, if you don't know any coding, okay, you don't know nothing about it, okay, don't panic in the system. Start using the chat GPT over here. Okay. It will give you all the prompts, all the code, everything. Just copy and paste it up in the first few days. Okay. You don't need about doing everything. Let's try this one. This is the same thing what they have written it over here. Okay. The script is nothing but the image what you have over here. This is the one. And they are started with the slide 0, slide 1, slide 2. UL and LI, do you know about these things, guys? About your HTML tags?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, right? UL and LI
Yeah.
and LI within the UL. For
Yeah,
example,
like
going in the horizontal. If you give LI within UL, it will go in the vertical. The differentiation within this one and within that one. And carousel inner, what is the thing? What are the items? The first item, first image, second image, third image. What is the width and height of that image? And how do you control that slide show as the left and right controls here? Controls. Sorry, this control it is actually. This control. How do you take writing this control? All these are coming up over here. So like this, you have to write a separate widget and you have to place those things. And now I want you people, okay, do the same page, each and everybody, but have some TCS images on it. Okay. Already there will be a widget in your system, mostly. ServiceNow used to have this. Go for widgets. HTML, body HTML, contain, carousel. All these items has carousel. Welcome banner, PC. Already there is a welcome banner DC carousel is already presented in our system. CD content delivery. But this is the content publishing. This is will be coming for the other. Let's go for this carousel itself. Normal carousel activity page. You can even call this one in your page. I open it, widget it. I don't think we will be having this. Let's see. Okay. Because we don't have any images over here. That's the reason the carousel is not working over here. You have this div, along with that, they're just trying to have some script over here. But over here, how do you have to use lessons? sp.carousel.slides. Over here, you just have a div tag, which is going to be your repetitive again and again. So there are some already predefined scripts in the service now for the widget, especially for the carousel. For example, you have for announcement. CD and all you don't use, okay? This content publishing is a different one. It will be used only in your EC2 instance. Over it. This page, um, if you update as a content management system, and this is here, some carousel will be running, and that will not work in our portal part, okay? So better don't go with CD, just stick it with our this carousel things and all. Okay. And that table data is called an instance of carousel. Within this instance, you just have only one widget called carousel within this one. And these are the three images you have within it. See? SC home carousel, these are service catalog homepage. Let me try opening it up, okay? But done. Still it is not activated in SC homepage. See. Okay, guys. Now what we are going to do, we are going to start invoking our enterprise packages within our system. Okay, enterprise management. Within this, let's see how we can invoke this already presented SC homepage carousel. I'm going to change my homepage over here, the container. This column. I have an instance. I'm going to put my what? Carousel over here. Where is the page that I have configured? Then SP instance, I have to configure this in differently. So this instance with search, these only creates lot of different guys. Instance with link, instance alone. You see, here I'm going to create another column, column 2. And within this one, I'm going to create a instances. Will be opening in SP instance. But I need to open this in what? SP instance dot carousel. This instance I have to open it with new record. Submit it. Now I'm going to what? How should I do or how should I add this instance to this one? Any idea? Guys, for example, in this columns and list and all, if I open it up, I could see they have added different type of widgets and list over here. And the classes is also different. If I open this one, this is a normal instance. If I open this one, this is the simple list. This is SP underscore instance, but this is SP underscore instance underscore B list. Can you see? Do you know how you can able to do this one? Any idea? I already showed you a page where you can get help actually. I added another instance called carousel here. In that, if I open it in the platform view, I should add my name, carousel, to save this one. Along with that, what I should add, carousel slides, something that is easiest to announce Q1 FY25 results.
Q1 FY25.
Okay, anything else? Okay, you have to add a background image for this. Image for that. We have created SP homepage only, right? I saved it in the wrong field. No. Now I have to add another image. So can you guys try this one with adding 2 or more images and come back tomorrow? Guys, in the same home page. If you add 2
Yeah.
more, it will start doing the carousel activity. Take any home page and do this one. Okay? Start adding your carousel image. 4 to 5 images you can add, and we can check it up over here. Fine. Any questions on this one? Okay, guys, let's meet tomorrow then. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you all.